Hello, I'm doing a short video just to show my new purchase, and I'm going to talk about Casio G-Shocks. So, watch is not something that you buy every day, and I just bought 3. It's not for me. These are all presents for my son, my wife, and my mother-in-law. So I'm going to show you what I have purchased. So a little bit off topic, but from one different store, I got a new mascara for my wife, which is Guerlain. I don't understand much of these things. I'm a man, I don't use them, but I just adore to surprise my wife. So yeah, a new Guerlain mascara. And they gifted me this little thingy, which is, I'm not sure what it is actually. But they told me you apply it on the skin before the makeup or the mascara, or I'm not sure. But yeah, I will surprise my wife for sure. And this baby G is for my wife. So let's unbox it. This is the watch itself. And inside, as you can see, is the user manual and the warranty card. Okay, let's go for the watch. I was expecting metal boxes, but still. So it's a baby G, as you can see. I will write the exact model later on the video. But yeah, it's a baby G. I did not research how to use it yet, but the thing is, this one have transparent. Then forgot what was the word. Yeah, transparent, translucent, whatever they call it. And here is white. So I actually didn't expect my wife to like the translucent, but one day we were outside, and there were friends of ours, and the girl was wearing a baby G with a transparent color, and my wife showed interest. So I was like, okay. I said nothing, but I said I'm gonna buy you a transparent G-Shock. I have no idea if she's going to like it, because she's not wearing any watch at this moment, so this would be a total surprise to her. Let's go for the other watches. Yeah, 2 more G-Shocks. We'll go first with this one. And yes, the word that I forgot was wristband. So you're going to ask me what's with me and the Casio G-Shocks. First of all, I am a Casio fan. This happened totally by accident. Many years ago, I wasn't even wearing a watch. I was looking the time on my phone, and I decided, okay, let's go get a watch. And I went to buy a normal Casio. It wasn't a G-Shock, but I liked it so much. It had 10-year battery that I was totally impressed. It wasn't a G-Shock, but it had the mineral glass of a G-Shock, and it was very, very, very solid watch, and I loved it. And I wanted to wear it more, but apparently something happened with the unit. I cannot wear it anymore. I wanted to gift it to my son, but no, hell no. So I said my next watch would be another Casio. I got another Casio, and I used it for many years, but then I decided, okay, I'm going to get a G-Shock. Actually, let me tell you why. All right, as you can see, this is a door, and I have the bad habit when I'm sleepy, I'm going next to a door to smash my wrist into the door. It's a bad habit, I know, but when I'm sleepy, and that's it. You know, when there is no caffeine in the system, is a real disaster. So this is how I used to break watches in the past. But the Casios that I have still lasted. This is one reason why I decided to get a G-Shock, and This one specifically is GBD-100, which is an old model, but I like that it's bulky, and I really loved how it is standing on my wrist. The same day I wanted to buy GBD-200, but I got this one because I liked it more, and it still got the MIPS display. Basically, when the display is brand new, this watch is begging you, look at me, all eyes on me. I just couldn't stop watching at the watch. And I got it also because it had the pedometer. It was counting the steps. And yeah, I am really happy with this watch. Actually, I was expecting more. This watch is a little bit slow when you press the buttons, especially when you try to record a workout, but still, it works. I don't pair it with my phone because the phone doesn't have a place on the running track, and I'm getting only my watch. Anyway, let's continue unboxing watches. My point was, right now I'm already a G-Shock fan. Reason being, I want to have something which serves me, not me serving my watch. I don't charge this one because it's not a smartwatch. It's rigged, it lasts, I can bang it, I can do things with it, it just works. Now let's continue with the other G-Shocks. And by the way, one of the neighbors is doing renovations. I hope that it's not gonna bother you too much, but yeah, this watch is special. I got it for my mother-in-law, and for the first time I am buying a Casio Oak. As you can see, this is one of the newer ones. So the requirement here was, she likes white wristbands, white watches in general. So I knew this in advance. This is gonna be a surprise for her, by the way. And she likes the sea, and dolphins. So when I saw this blue color right here, I was like, wow, this is so beautiful. And I wanted to buy this watch for her. Like totally. Yes, it does have some LCD display, Bluetooth connectivity, which she is not going to use it, but damn, look at this beauty. It's so beautiful. Sorry, I cannot stop moving my hand because I'm not at home. I'm not prepared to do videos here, but hell yeah. This is one amazingly beautiful watch. Look at this. I'm trying to rotate it so you see the light reflection. It's beautiful. This watch is going to turn heads. So I hope that she will like it. So she said, I like watches which have arrows. So we're talking about analog, not digital display. And she said, I like white watches. Currently she's wearing black one. And I asked why. She said, this is what I have right now. I lost my old one. So I will surprise her. Look at this beauty. It's beautiful. Very good job from Casio. Yeah, let's pack it back and let's go to the next one. So all the three watches are bought from the same store, which is the Julian Watches and Jewelry Boutique in Sofia, Bulgaria. And now, very special watch. Look at this. It's very special because this one is for my son. So he got another watch, which was Casio, his first watch, but he lost it. It wasn't a G-Shock, and I told him, break your watch, lose it, whatever, I'm going to buy you a G-Shock. And no, I know some of you are thinking funny right now that he lost it on purpose, but no, he was losing it a few times and finding it. He was very sad that he lost his Casio, so I got him this one. This is a watch that he personally liked from the Casio website. As you can see, it's one of the newer, I don't know how new is this, but it's one of the newer G-Shocks. Negative display. I'm not fan of the negative displays. I got this one only for the functions. So yeah, when I choose a watch, I don't choose for how it looks, I choose it for the functions. And my son liked it for the look because, you know, he is 12-year-old, every day at the skate park. Look at this military color, it's beautiful. And it's a G-Shock, so it's not gonna break easily. So let's look at the light. It's beautiful, especially this gold accent right here. Personally, I wouldn't buy watch with these colors. I mean, I like the wristband color, but the negative display color is not good for me. But I'm 49-year-old. My eyesight is not that good anymore, so I'm not gonna see clearly the numbers, digits here. But he's 12-year-old, he's gonna see it. And point is, he actually liked this one, so he will have desire to wear it. And I'm trying to make him more responsible with time, so getting something that you actually wanted and desired will make you wear it more and look at it more. So when he look at it more often, he will be more knowledgeable of the time and he will start being more on time. Yeah, beautiful, I love it. This is surprise for my son. He's not expecting it. So yeah, this is the last one. I'm going to pack it again, pack it back, put it back in the box, and yeah, as I said, all the three watches are purchased from the Julian Jewelry and Watch Boutique. I'm not making them advertisement, but truth to be told, they provide good customer service, so this is why I got 3 more watches from them. This one was also bought from them in 2022, so it's like 3 years ago. Yeah, so that's it. Thanks for watching, and if you are a Casio fan, give me a thumbs up. If you are a G-Shock fan, give me a thumbs up. And if you are Casio and G-Shock fan, give me thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel. It will help me. At least, I'm not trying to grow my channel that much, but will show me that you liked my video and you showed interest in me buying more G-Shocks maybe in the future when I get a new job, because I just lost my current one. Whatever. At least I got 3 beautiful watches for my family. I'm going to surprise them and I'm happy. You know, I didn't get a G-Shock, new G-Shock for me because I don't need one, but I got 3 new G-Shocks for my family, and it's always pleasure to buy gifts for somebody else. So thank you very much. Hope you enjoyed this video, and have a nice day. Bye bye.